Welcome. This is how to fix auto rotate on Android. So guys, if you are having problem with auto rotation, what you could try to do is go for your notification bar. And now here, you should be able to see here your auto rotate. So in my case, as you can see, it is currently portrait on the top right corner over here. And when I tap on it, it will be on auto rotate. So in order for you to turn it on and off, you should be able to toggle it over here at the top right corner. Now, to go more on details, you can just simply select the word auto rotate. Now, as you can see over here, you will have an option of rotate button on navigation bar, on the home screen, voice call screen. So pretty much over here, make sure everything is turned off to fix the issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you on the next video.